I look and feel like The Rock in this chain right now in my turtleneck. Alright guys, let's chat about the Alec Baldwin settlement that just came out today. As many of you recall, Alec Baldwin, while filming on set of a movie called Rust, unfortunately was holding some sort of firearm that misfired and accidentally shot and killed one of their cinematographers. Literally just one of the most nightmare, saddest things ever. Because of it, Baldwin was facing a civil suit against him in addition to a criminal investigation being pursued. No criminal charges to my knowledge have been pressed yet, but we know for sure that they're having some sort of investigation into it. And it just came out today that Baldwin was able to settle out of court with the family of the deceased cinematographer for what I'm guessing is probably going to be a pretty big payout. Although he settled out of court, I just thought that this would be a really good opportunity to chat with you guys about the criminal and civil court system in the United States and how you can actually be tried in both courts over something arising out of the same set of facts. And a lot of people don't really know that. So civil court is where you bring a lawsuit against an individual, a company, a private citizen, literally anyone, and you're seeking some sort of money damages or some sort of property damage. Criminal court, on the other hand, is when you're being criminally charged for something. I'm sure you guys are all very familiar with this. You break the law, you end up in criminal court. So because the family of the deceased were looking for money damages, they sued Alec Baldwin in civil court for recklessly shooting and killing and failing to perform industry standards and safety checks and following basic gun safety rules. So that was basically what they were alleging, or part of it, in their lawsuit, and that's what they're getting money damages from. But if prosecutors think that Baldwin broke a law in the middle of all of this happening, then they can actually try him in criminal court too. And this is a really fun fact for all of you out there that are not lawyers. Any kind of evidence of some sort of civil settlement out of court cannot be used as evidence in a criminal case. So if Baldwin ends up in criminal court being tried before a jury for some sort of criminal charges brought up against him, the settlement that he came to with the deceased's family cannot be used as evidence. In other words, the prosecutor can't just be like, hey, he settled this out of court and gave money damages to the deceased's family. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments, and let me know if you want to hear anything else. And obviously follow for more.